standing asanas பார்த்தோம். So இப்போ நம்ம sitting asanas பார்ப்போம். Sitting asanasல first வந்து பத்மாசன் lotus pose. நிறைய பேர் கேள்விப்பட்டிருப்பீங்க, நிறைய பேர் பண்ணவும் செஞ்சிருப்பீங்க. ஸோ இதுதான் பத்மாசன். ஓகே, ஸோ இட் இஸ் நாட் வெரி ஈஸி ஃபார் எவ்ரிபடி. ஸோ அதனால் தெர் ஆர் சம் ப்ரிப்பரேட்டரி எக்ஸசைசஸ் ஃபார் பத்மாசன். பத்மாசன் பண்ணுறதுக்கு முன்னாடி கொஞ்சம் லூசன் பண்ணுறதுக்கு யூ ஹாவ் சம் ப்ராக்டிசஸ். I'll just show you that. Keep your hands nicely. Keep your legs up and down. Lift your knees up and down nicely. Also use your hands to push your knees down. Rotate your ankle clockwise and anti-clockwise. Change your leg. Do the same. So daily இந்த practice பண்ணீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு ஸ்லோவா பத்மாசன் பண்றதுக்கு இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் கம்ஃபர்டபுளா இருக்கும். And also try and do a butterfly stretch, legs lifting up and down. Try to push your legs. Okay, now let's do Padmasan. Remember to keep your spine straight. So this is Padmasan. Meditation ku main Padmasan use பண்ணுவாங்க. So அதனால இந்த posture is very good to keep your spine aligned and spine straight. So keep your spine straight, and from Padmasane நம்ம வந்து next posture Yoga Mudrasan பண்றோம். So Yoga Mudrasan எப்படி பண்ணனும்னா forward bending. So Padmasan and Yoga Mudrasan normally they just do it next to each other. So you can also keep your Padmasan like this and do, or if you want to change your leg, you can also change your leg in Padmasan. So rendu kaaliyum pandradhukku you should be able to do it comfortably. Okay, Yoga Mudrasan, you can keep your hands behind in Namaskara Mudra. Pinnadi eppadi vechirukkengiradha I will show you. Okay, hands in Namaskara Mudra. Inhale. Yoga Mudrasan, reach forward as much as you can. Evlo mudiyardho you can bend forward. Inhale, slowly come up. Always have a nice smile on your face. Think of something nice which will put a nice smile on your face when you practice yoga. It always helps. It will work nicely in your body. Whenever you feel comfortable, whenever you feel happy, and when you do your practice, that will reflect. உங்களுக்கு ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்காக தெரிஞ்சிடும். இன்றைக்கி ரொம்ப ஹாப்பியாக யோகா பண்ணாலும் அதுக்கேற்ற மாதிரி உங்களோட எஃபெக்ட்டும் இன்னும் ஈஸியாக இன்னும் ஃபாஸ்ட்டாக கிடைக்கும். ஓகே, ஸோ பத்மாசன் முடிச்சாச்சு, யோக முத்ராசன் முடிச்சாச்சு. நெக்ஸ்ட் இஸ் பஸ்சிமோத்தானாசன், ஃபார்வர்ட் பெண்டிங் போஸ். ஓகே, ஃபார்வர்ட் பெண்டிங் பஸ்சிமோத்தானாசன். இந்த posture வந்து it is very difficult to do when you get up from the bed in the morning. மேடம் எல்லா postureம் அப்படிதான் அப்படின்னு சொன்னீங்கன்னா this is even more difficult to do it, especially when you get up early in the morning and then try to do this. So அதனால இந்த posture sometimes they'll call it evergreen posture. So அதனால இந்த posture பண்ணீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு வயசே ஆகாது, என்றும் 16 அந்த மாதிரி. ஓகே, so keep your spine straight, hands up, inhale and exhale. Inhale up and reach forward, reach forward, reach forward, reach forward. It's not about touching your knees, it's about reaching forward, keeping your spine aligned, and then finally bending down. This is called Paschimottanasana. Extremely good for your reducing the abdomen, extremely good for digestion, extremely good for so many other ailments, but it's slightly difficult for obese people to do. So what do you do then? And relax. So if it is difficult for certain people to do, what I would normally say is, so inhale, reach forward, and then stop wherever you're finding it difficult to proceed further. இவ்வளோதான் முடியும் அப்படின்னா you can just stop here. And for people who have knee pain, if they are finding it difficult to do it, gently you can keep your knee bent, or கீழே ஒரு towel வந்து roll பண்ணி you can keep it under your knee so that you can feel that comfort factor and you will not have that knee pain. And also if you have a dupatta or a longer towel something, you can just put it around your leg and then try to use that to go forward. Okay, because நம்மளோட body alone use பண்ணிட்டு பண்றதுக்கு சில பேருக்கு they'll find it slightly difficult. So அவங்களுக்கு வந்து I'm just giving you some tips, so you can just put it around your feet and then you can reach forward. Or for people who have knee pain, you can just put it or give a cushion under that knee and then you can bend forward. So this is Paschimottanasana. So inhale, you come up, exhale, hands down like a camel. So sit on your knee, முட்டி போட்டுட்டு you will have to be there. Again, இப்போ முட்டி கீழே வைக்கிறது கஷ்டமாக இருந்ததுன்னா டவல் யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க, டவல் மேலே முட்டியை வச்சுக்கோங்க. அப்போ you will get little bit of cushion, so you don't have to worry about it. So bend back, hold your heel, bend back and push your hip forward and bend back. Slowly come back. Slowly come back. Sit back and relax. Release your legs one by one. Relax. This is Ushtrasana, camel posture. So sitting posture என்னெல்லாம் பண்ணிருக்கோம் இது வரைக்கும்? We did Padmasana, lotus pose, we did Yoga Mudrasana. Padmasana we bent forward, that was Yoga Mudrasana. Okay. Then we did Paschimottanasana, which is the evergreen pose, forward bending. Then now we did the back bending, which is camel pose, Ushtrasana. So all the back bending is very good for people who have mild breathing problem. So in the asthma and the mari irukravungalukku வந்து back bending postures will actually help breathe better, because generally நம்ம back bending பண்ணும்போது breathing will be slightly difficult. So when you start getting used to stretching back and inhalation, so for people who have difficulty in breathing, avungalukku வந்து that will help a lot. Okay, so next asana we are going to do is, next asana பண்றது Gomukhasana. Gomukhasana, cow face pose. So this is very good for correcting your spine incorrect posture when you sit and do work from home பண்ணும்போதெல்லாம் வந்து நம்ம we don't pay attention much to our postures இல்லையா. So this asana will help you correct your spine and keep it aligned, and it will help you to have a straight back and try to get rid of your small aches and pains in your back. Okay, Gomukhasana is cow face. So this has to look like a face of the cow. So keep one hand down and the other hand up. Okay, you can hold it behind like this. Okay, illa if you are not able to hold it, use a towel, drop it from up. You can hold it like this behind. Drop a towel from top and hold it behind like this. Okay, so this is your posture. Gently look up to the tip of your elbow. Hold on to the pose as long as you can and gently relax your hand, relax your body, and please change your legs. Let's do the opposite side. Change your legs. Keep one knee over the other. Use your opposite hand down. So now I'll show you from behind how do I hold it. One hand down, the other hand up, and lift up. Look at your elbows. Normal breathing. You can feel the spine stretched. And gently release your hands, release your legs, and relax. So sitting asanasla we have done Padmasan, Yoga Mudrasan, Paschimottanasana, Ushtrasan and Gomukhasan.
உங்களுக்கு தமிழ் சேனல் பிடிச்சிருந்தா சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்க்கு ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். அப்புறம் மறக்காமல் கீழே இருக்கிற பெல் பட்டனை ப்ரெஸ் பண்ணிவிட்டு கமெண்ட்ஸ் பண்ணுங்கள்.